Gurigira hari umukuru w'Ibururu mu district ya Kasese Ismail Taki nagirango umurimo gubereye yo gutandikasha ibiriza Kasese gwakererwa abo kugira ngo ibyo kozesa bituyireho kwije.
The materials are already in the field, but there are some items which we received yesterday, and they are just adding on what is existing in the field, like the Enkarara. We just give them out today to start, but the real materials are already in the field for starting the exercise.
The Electoral Commission told us that they are beginning on 20th, but now it's at about 11 without seeing any officer.
Taki nashobora nagira ngo umurimo wogu nuguza ko rumerika 250 mu district niye.
We are going to operate in 215 parishes in the entire district, and in every parish there is an update officer who is going to do registration.
Muringo nugogumwe Taki yahamza bobona abendanga muntu zabo zabuzire kuba kuza kukorwaho babana bamanye namba zendanga muntu zabo.
People who don't have national IDs, but they know their names, the national identification numbers, please reach out to our update officers in their respective parishes. They will be able to help you.
Urigirira habebembezi bebyanga umucekeki bagirango ikitongore ekigurukushinanzwa akutebekanisa ubururu mu ihanga tikiramanyise banya Uganda ubwo murimo gukuza kutwazwa.
And for sure we have not been even informed who is the electoral officer who will be even in our parish, even inducted on that issue of election. So I was requesting the Electoral Commission to first educate we leaders and see to let them be sure of what they are doing.
Murimo Okushwijuma Enkarara z'abatezi b'Ubururu nkwija kutwara esandi 3 obuyihanga rukwetebekanisa obwire b'Ubururu b'umwaka gw'2025 2026 bakuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo aba Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kasese.